Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 2a, in which we will learn the makharij of letters Mim and Ba. What is Tajweed? To recite the Quran nicely, that is according to makharij and sifat of the letters and other rules of recitation, the qawaid. Let us take Makhraj. The word Makhraj means exit, but in Tajweed it means the place where the sound of the letter is exiting from or coming out from, or the articulation point of the letter. For example, we have Ma, Sha, Sha, the sound after that, and Kha. So Ma, Sha, Kha. Or in other words, we have the 5 makharij, which are lips and the nose, tongue, and the cavity above it, and the throat. Lips, nose, tongue, cavity, and the throat. To know the makhraj of a letter, take A and place the letter with sukoon after it. For example, to know the makhraj of Mim, we say and wherever you stop, that is the makhraj, the location from where the sound is coming out from. Similarly, other harakat on the letter also show the makhraj, such as Ma, Mi, Mu. So in all these cases, the lips are the makhraj of the letter Mim. Let us start with makharij now. We are placing fatha on every letter, such as Ma, Ba, Wa, Fa. And we are not saying Mim, Ba, Waw, Fa. Why? To practice the makharij directly as we say these letters. And also we want to use a letter poem with fatha sounds to start with, like Ma, Ba, Wa, Fa are from the lips. We'll take the remaining poem later on, but now we will focus on these 4. Ma, Ba, Wa, Fa are from the lips. By the way, this poem is extremely helpful in learning the makharij and sifat and also other rules. To remember these 4 letters, we can also have this sentence, Mummy Baba with flowers welcoming you, because you are learning Tajweed, and this is for children, but you can also use it to remember. Mummy Baba with flowers. Ma, Ba, Wa, Fa. And the makharij of these letters are the first 2, especially Mim. So Ma. Join the outer parts of the lips. Ma. Or Ba. Join the inner parts of the lips. Ba. By the way, we don't have to teach you. You already know them. So we will not focus more on these. That's it for today. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.